In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile your bank or credit card in QuickBooks Online. Reconciliation is a crucial process in managing your finances, ensuring that your records align with actual bank statements, and helping maintain accurate bookkeeping. Let's dive into the steps to make this process smooth and efficient. First, head over to your QuickBooks Online account. Make sure you're logged in and you find yourself on the dashboard that shows the overview of your financial activities. To begin reconciling, locate the gear icon at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will reveal a menu where you'll select the Reconcile option. The Reconcile option is vital as it guides you into the area where the actual reconciliation takes place. Next, you'll need to select the specific bank or credit card account you wish to reconcile. A drop-down menu will appear listing all your financial accounts linked to QuickBooks. Choose the account you're focusing on today. Keep in mind the importance of choosing the correct account to avoid any discrepancies during reconciliation. After selecting your account, verify that the beginning balance shown in QuickBooks matches the beginning balance on your bank or credit card statement. This step ensures you're starting on the right foot and that past reconciliations have been accurately carried out. If there's a mismatch, it might be an indication of issues from previous reconciliations. Now enter the ending balance and the statement ending date exactly as they appear on your statement. Attention to detail is key here, as any slight variation can lead to an imbalance later on. With these figures verified and entered, click on Start Reconciling. This action will take you into the reconciliation screen where you can compare all listed transactions. The next crucial step involves comparing each transaction within QuickBooks to those on your bank or credit card statement. This is where meticulous comparison comes into play. Look at the amounts and dates and ensure that every transaction listed in QuickBooks matches what's seen on your statement. As you confirm matches, check off each corresponding transaction in QuickBooks. The objective here is to have the difference displayed at the top of your screen reach 0. Achieving a 0 difference means that every transaction has been accounted for and reconciled properly. Once all differences are resolved and every transaction is matched, click Finish Now. Congratulations, your reconciliation is complete. A quick note, if you deal with credit cards that feature multiple sub-accounts, ensure you're reconciling at the parent account level for comprehensive accuracy. Before starting subsequent reconciliations, remember to verify that all downloaded transactions are categorized and matched, and ensure that the previous reconciliation was impeccable. With these practices, your financial records will remain precise and well organized, all thanks to the power of QuickBooks Online.